Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're okay. Today I'm coming to you with this lovely pajama shorts, loungewear shorts, really simple to make. Tip: if you have a soft cotton or a linen fabric or even a silk fabric, that'll be more flattering. Of course, do your own alterations. The wider you make them, of course, the more gathers you will have and the more flattering they will be. So just a tip. Okay, let's get into the video. So these are my measurements. So the 16 inches is the length I want the shorts to be in general. And then if you're sewing with me, please just measure your hip, around your hip. Mine is, I put a bit of ease, so that's ending up to 42 inches. And then your waist to hip measurement as well, mine will be 9. And then for the waistband, because we want to fold it, I'm gonna add 2 inches or 4 inches in altogether. So we're gonna fold the waistband, so it will be like a length of 2 inches waistband. And of course we're gonna make that with an elastic waist, so it's comfortable and all. Okay, so draw a straight line. Then I'll mark 9 inches at the hip. From the waist, I mark where my shorts will end. So mine was 16, like I said, plus seam allowance and 10 over to sew the hem. I'm gonna add an inch more, so altogether I'll mark 17. So my hip measurement was 42. I'm gonna divide that by 4. Okay, so mine is 10.5. So I'm just gonna draw a straight line all the way until the waist will be cinched in anyway. Connect the waist to hem. So basically how you measure your crotch is from your waist area, like the smallest part of your waist, which is here, and then check this up a bit. So from here, and then where your bum is seated. So that would be the crotch length. So for me, that way. So for me, it would be 10 inches. So that's the crotch. So from the crotch area, I'm going to measure 12 centimeters. The front area, I'll measure 10. So now we'll connect the hip with the crotch. Okay, use your pattern master. So I'm just gonna pin the front and the back. Sides first. And also I will pin at the crotch or the inner leg. So we're gonna sew the side and the crotch. When we're done with that, I'm going to serge mine. If you don't own a serger, you can just zigzag around and then do the same on the other side. So when the battery died, I went ahead and ironed all the seams I saw before, and also I made this tiny string. So if you want to do that, so you want to cut a tiny bit in the fabric, grab a hairpin and then put the hairpin in like that, turn it over, and then so now we're gonna sew the legs together. Turn one leg inside out, and then what you want to do is turn the other leg on the right side. So when you place them in, that the right sides of the fabrics are together. Grab pins, slippery. So like so, and then put the back together in the front. So put those pins here. Okay, so we're gonna sew the crotch together. When we finish, we serge, and also we serge the top part of the waist. So I made the buttonholes. My fabric was sliding up and down, but that's okay. It's gonna open. And then we're done. So I'm gonna show you the end result. Let me know if you'd like for me to make like a nice top to match with this. Give me a like, thumbs up. or leave me a comment, and yeah, I'll be able to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.